This is our PostPro SF100, our automated chemical vapor smoothing solution. This system is designed to not only improve the aesthetics of your 3D printed part, but this is also improving mechanical performance and sealing the surface of your part. So this solution is a value add to companies looking at additive manufacturing as a production platform. With aesthetics, we're able to unlock applications in the consumer and automotive industries. With the sealed surfaces reducing air and water uptake, we're able to unlock applications within the medical industry and food contact, preventing bacterial growth. And because of the improved mechanical properties, that is a benefit to all industries, improving these carefully engineered materials and bringing and elevating their capabilities through this chemical vapor smoothing process. So this here is not only reducing the labor to get to that same finish level, we're also reducing part costs, increasing tremendous throughput. Some of our customers are seeing returns as quickly as 2 to 3 months and seeing a part cost reduction up to 60%. And all of that handled with our automated post-processing system in the AMT PostPro SF100.